Excited with your new bike?
Yeah, I started.
Okay, show me how you ride your new bike. Nova, show me how. Say hi, Auntie Kyra and Uncle Sid.
Hi, Auntie Kyra and Uncle Sid. My bike is just the right size.
It's just the right size? Oh, here comes Luna too and Grandpa.
Luna know how to ride bike.
Yeah. Everybody's a bike rider.
Are you in a hole?
Like that. That's right. Say hi, Auntie Kyra. Hi.
Hi, Auntie Kyra.
Say hi, Uncle Sid.
Hi, Auntie Kyra. I'm pedaling. Hi, Kitty.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
Ooh. Ooh. There you go. Look at you go.
Look at me.
I see you. Nova, what are you doing?